Alright, hello guys. This is going to be a video of one of the fans in my aunt's new house. Yeah, I knew I said I was going to do it. Sorry it took so long, but here I am, have some free time, so yeah, ignore the background noises, they're playing around downstairs, so. But here is the first fan. This is just going to be a video of this fan only. This is a matte white Hampton Bay, or HDC, Home Decorators Correction, Windward 4. Yeah, it's in my cousin's bedroom, and it came with the new thermostatic remote. It's actually pretty cool. It's not like the older ones though, but whatever. So, start with the light. It's pretty bright. It lights up the room really well. Along with that light there, which I can actually shut off, so I can show you. Yep. And then, let me turn that light on real quick. Alright, I'm back. Got that back on, so we can shut the light off. See, there's the temperature, 75. And then we'll start with low. There it goes. Yeah, me and my uncle installed this one. This is probably the best air mover in the house, if not. Here it is at its top speed for low. It's pretty fast, actually. I feel air from it already. It's flush mount too. And I can still feel air from it. Yeah, very minimal, but whatever. Now, medium speed. There's medium. I can hear the blades already making the air noise. And now for high. And this thing blows a ton of air for being a flush mount. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like a helicopter a little bit. Turn the light on. Light off. And we'll turn it off. And yeah, that was one of the fans in my aunt's new house, the Hampton Bay Windward 4, or Home Decorators Windward 4. And I will see you guys.